Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I share this recipe. Thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in to watch. To my new subscribers, I want to say a huge thank you. To my oldies, thank you. You all are the best. Jollof rice is a very delicious recipe that can go with anything like plantain, beans, any kind of vegetables. You can just eat with spinach, you can just eat with coleslaw, you can just add some carrots. Yeah, it's always very beautiful to eat jollof rice that way. If you're having any party without jollof rice, you haven't started at all, okay? So come on, let's do this so you know how to make this. Please stay till the end of this video. First, I'm going to start by adding my onion. I'm not going to add everything, guys. So I have enough onion here. Next, I'll go in with some salt because of my tomato paste. So I'm going to add in some salt. Okay. The next thing that will be going in is my tomato paste. Go ahead and add your tomato paste. So just go ahead and stir it up together like this. So guys, here I have my fresh tomatoes, my Titus, and I have some fresh habanero pepper. I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this. I'm going to go in with my blended stuffs. So guys, these are my green peppers and some of my herbs. I'm going to add it in also. I decided to make enough. This is the point where you can add your bay leaf if you want to add bay leaf. To add bay leaf into your jollof rice time, you can add it in. Using rosemary, I'm going to add it into my blend. These are my onions and garlic and ginger. Have the smoky paprika. Go ahead, it will make your sauce come out very delicious. So just make sure you use what you like to use, okay? I'm going to mix everything in. This is good. I'm going to scoop out some stew, so that way we can boil white rice. They love my stew so much in this house, so we can scoop it out for some white rice. So this is what you can do, and then the rest will be for jollof rice. You know that Nigerian smoky jollof rice? Yeah, that Nigerian turkey smoky jollof rice. That's what I'm about to do for Sunday deliciousness. So I'll quickly go ahead with my curry like so. You want it coming out very delicious. A little bit of rosemary. So I'll go in with my onion powder. You can also go in with some thyme, you know. This is Nigerian jollof rice. Yeah, I went in with rosemary, blended it together. That will infuse the deliciousness into this food. I'm adding some chili powder. I'm going in with some paprika. You can skip all of the garlic. If you don't want all of this, you can go ahead and skip it completely. So I love these onions flakes, guys. I love the kind of aroma it infuses in my food. So I love to have some. Here I'm going to have some Goya seasoning. This is beautiful. Look at all it is made up of. Garlic, cilantro, red onion, some sea salt. It has some good stuffs, you know. It's beautiful. Also adobo. I love adobo. So go in with your adobo if you have adobo. If not, that's okay. I'm going to stir everything in. Everything will get to marry each other, trust me. I'm going to show you what I want to get out of this delicious stew for your jollof rice. Okay? You don't need to work too hard in your kitchen. I'll show you. If you have a leftover turkey, oh my goodness, that will do justice to this stew. Okay, I'll show you next item. So here I have my smoked turkey and some bone. Honestly, guys, try this delicious recipe for your jollof rice. You will love it. At this point, I'm going to add this way to infuse all the delicious tastes. Even though I'm going to add some meat broth to cook the rice proper. So at this point, go ahead, add your turkey to get a delicious taste with all of those bones. This is my leftover turkey. Yeah, my Thanksgiving turkey, trust me. The recipe is coming out very soon. You're going to see everything I use in marinating this turkey, and you will love it. Look out for that turkey recipe for your Thanksgiving, for your New Year, for any special occasion in your family. So add this to this stew and you have a delicious stew. So guys, I'm going to stir this quickly and see if I have to add any seasoning like Maggi. This tastes so amazing, guys. Please do give me a massive thumbs up. But I need to add some Maggi. I'm going to add just a little bit because it tastes so good. Remember, all those Goyo seasoning, don't over salt or over season. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my pink salt. Thank you, Gucci's team, for watching till this time. You all are the best. Thank you, my new subscribers. I'll stir this together. At this point, my stove is on low, on 2. You don't want your stew to get burnt. That way you can still make jollof rice from here, in case you want to go ahead and make jollof rice quickly. But trust me, guys, this stew is very delicious, and my jollof rice will come out sumptuous. Please do me a favor by sharing my videos to your friends and loved ones. Yeah. I'm going to scoop in some. I want to use it for jollof rice, so I can go ahead and add my chicken broth or turkey broth. My stew tastes so delicious. Please turn on your notification bell so you can get my new uploads. Thank you. It 10 minutes only, and I'll come back to check this stew. Stay tuned. So friends, let's see our stew. Woo! Look at that. Look at that delicious smoky turkey stew recipe for your jollof rice. Guys, this is so good. Look at that. Oh yes, all of this has infused deliciousness into this stew. Trust me, you want to try this smoky turkey stew recipe for your jollof rice. All those bone. This is my leftover. Look at it. This is so delicious, guys. Trust me. If you use this for your rice, oh, you're going to love that you did. Look at the consistency. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know if you try this in the comment section. Okay, go in with your rice like so. That is the way I want to go about this turkey smoky jollof rice. So I have my chicken broth in my Ziploc bag, already made from the freezer. That's how I store them to use them when I need to use them. I'm going to go in with some more curry. That's just to give it some good aroma. So you can go ahead and add curry just to give it some more good flavor if you think you don't have enough flavor in it. So I'm going in with some paprika, garlic powder, onion flakes. That is so delicious in your jollof rice. Goya seasoning. Trust me, I have crave for jollof rice. Some adobo seasoning, just the same seasonings I used. I'm just repeating them just to make sure the rice is flavorful. Some onion powder, some thyme. I'm going in with some bay leaf. This is my special seasoning from Nigeria for my jollof rice. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to show it to you very, very soon. Maybe in one of my jollof rice videos. At this point, be careful with water. Go in with some water. Add more water if need be. Now give it a stir. This will infuse deliciousness into this rice, trust me. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Just like so. Tastes delicious. I'm going to cover with parchment paper.
15 minutes later.
You guys, I'm going to add some onion and then some butter. The rice is cooking so well. It tastes so fantastic. Oh yeah, it tastes amazing. So I'll just let this butter sit here. Butter will help it stand on its own. I can't wait to enjoy this rice. Look at our smoked turkey jollof rice recipe. I'm going to cover it still and let it all come together, and then we serve this deliciousness. I'm going to close it up and check it out in 15 minutes. Okay, just make sure you lower your light. You don't want your rice to get burnt.
10 minutes later.
Let's check our rice. Wow, can you see? Look at that, guys. Look at the smoked turkey jollof rice recipe. My leftover turkey have done me justice to this jollof rice. It tastes so good. Look at this, very delicious. Everything came out so delicious. So good. I didn't have to add any more seasoning. Everything is just accurate. I'm about to deal with the downside of this pot. Trust me. If you like the downside of jollof rice pot, let me know in the comment section. That is the most important part of the rice for me. Look at that. That's what I was looking for. Which part is your best part for jollof rice? I love the burnt side, guys. I love it. Now I can dish into a tray and allow it to cool down before I put it in the refrigerator, so we can be scooping it as we go. You can eat with vegetables like salad, or just put some vegetables of your choice, and voila, you're gonna enjoy this. It came out so delicious, so good. It was my prepping day and I prepped different kind of food, made sure there was stew in the house, made sure there is jollof rice and chicken and so on. Guys, look at the burnt parts. That is where that smokiness comes from. See how delicious. Now I'll put my hand because this one is Gucci's portion. This is Gucci's portion. I wish you guys were here to eat this rice with me. It tastes so good. So good, guys. So good. I have so many jollof rice videos coming up. I haven't posted a lot of videos. I made jollof rice, different ways of making jollof rice. You will see them coming out. Please watch my videos. Thank you all so much for watching. This is how I get my family ready. I've been prepping all we need for the week, something that will last us for at least 1 week and or 2 weeks exactly. Just be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. We need to eat now. Ciao, ciao. I'm going to be taking out some turkey from here. This is it, guys. Very delicious. Look at that, yummy-licious. This is for me. Please give me a thumbs up, share to your friends and loved ones. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, and you're going to get a lot of beautiful videos from this channel. Thank you all, and God bless you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.